Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you guys know whose intro that is, tag it down below. And if you know, that means we watch the same people on YouTube. But if you don't know, that's okay. That's okay. You know, yeah, you gonna know by who is tagged below. And if y'all don't tag who it is, I'ma tag who it is down below. Anyway, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying aloe vera on my type 4 hair to see if I can get faster hair growth, or just to see if I can fix my damaged hair. So I'm about to be trying this aloe vera on my type 4 hair, and let's see what we have here. Honestly, y'all, this stuff is so slimy. It's so slimy, and honestly, it was kind of freaking me out. So what I did, I did buy the whole aloe vera leaf, but what I did do was I took the pieces of it and I cut the pieces that I was going to use today, and for the other pieces that I wasn't going to use, I just scraped them off and put them in a jar. And y'all, it was really, I'm not even going to lie, it was freaking me out. Like, the texture, the feeling, everything, it was just like freaky. I don't know why, but it was just weird. It was weird. I don't understand why it was freaking me out so much, but it was. So I did also added some peppermint oil, and I added some lavender oil into it because I don't know, everybody ain't gonna tell you this, but I'm gonna be the one to tell you this stuff doesn't smell the best. Now, it doesn't have like an extremely strong odor, but it does kind of remind you of the onion type of smell. You know, when you cut like either raw onions, or if you cut like scallions or shallots or something. I don't know if it's in the same family, but it kind of smelled like it's in the same family. I was cutting it and I was like, dang, am I musty? Like, what the heck happened? Like, this junk, it has like a very faint oniony smell. So I'm just gonna warn you, that's what it smells like. So let's go ahead and start applying it to my hair. So there are there are a lot of benefits to using aloe vera. Honestly, I'm not about to sit here and act like I know all the benefits, because I don't. And if you see this part right here, it's a little wet because I did already put some aloe vera in that part of my hair, because when I was cutting the pieces off, it was all over my hands and I wasn't gonna waste it, y'all. This junk was like a hundred, girl. This junk was like $1.29. That might not be a lot to you, but that's a lot to me, okay? So I wasn't trying to waste any of it. So I'm just going to take my first piece. Y'all see how gooey this junk is? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I know you see it. Can y'all see me put it on my face? Y'all see that? Goo. Just goo. Just goo. But I did put the peppermint oil and the lavender oil inside these little pieces, because I don't know, I wasn't really I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Y'all should know by now I'm always trying to get a thumbnail. But I didn't put it, I put the peppermint oil and lavender oil in these pieces as well as in the container, because I do have a few pieces, but I don't know if it's going to be enough. Let me turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing too. So y'all, they said I'm supposed to put it on my scalp first and then just kind of rub it through. So that's what we're going to do. Y'all see it? Y'all see what's going on here? And then they said if it gets dry like this, just to puncture it. And then the gel's supposed to come. There we go. Okay, cool. So we're just going to rub this in and then puncture. Like that. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Hold on. Puncture. Bam, 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 like that. Okay. And then we're going to take it and put it on the ends. Alright. And then puncture it again. We using all of this, y'all. We ain't wasting none of it. Okay. I bet this sounds nasty because it's really close to the mic, so I know it sounds nasty. Because I can hear it in person and it sounds nasty. Okay. So we're just going to put this in my hair. So far, I feel like this could be pretty moisturizing. Just like the cool feeling of it on my scalp honestly feels amazing. Okay, so we're gonna, I don't think I got enough. honestly. I might have to go back into the kitchen and get the rest of what I cut off. But we're going to just make sure that we are using all of this. Okay. And let's put this. Ah! No, I'm dropping it. This smells like a meal. It smells like something you would put in your food. Okay, so I think that's enough for this section here. It feels pretty slippery. It feels extremely moisturizing, if we're going to be completely honest. This feels great in my hair. It feels like really good. Okay, so now we're going to start the other side. Let's compare. Like, y'all see this? It didn't take a lot, and it just feels really, really moisturized. It has slip. I feel like this is something you could probably even use to detangle your hair. And then this side, look at it, all dry, just there, just cohabitating. So let's go ahead and puncture this one, because this is what I saw folks doing on a YouTube video. So we're gonna do this too, like that, and then we're gonna put it on. Oh, it feels so good on your scalp. It's like cold and refreshing, like a breath of fresh air. Oh. Okay, we almost done with this one. We're gonna get a new one. This feels great, honestly. Like I don't know what else to say besides wow. Okay, look at that. The gel just hanging off. That's why it was freaking me out. Like, it's just so jiggly. I don't know. It's so jiggly. Okay, let me turn so y'all can see. Okay, great. Y'all can see. So some people were saying that it's recommended to do this 2 to 3 times a week. I'm gonna try it now. I don't know, does aloe vera have protein in it? Because if I'm suffering from protein overload, the last thing I need is to be putting any type of protein in my hair. So let's go ahead and puncture this some more. This one didn't have nearly as much as the other piece. Okay, so I can already tell I did not get enough. I'm gonna have to go to the kitchen and get some more. But so far, this is doing wonders already. So I did bring a spoon, because I did bring some that was already like cut off. Y'all see that? Y'all see that jiggly stuff? Y'all see it? So let me go ahead and chop it up some, just so that it's a little easier. Oh, I should edit this out. It's about to be so loud and annoying. I'm sorry. Let me take this little piece. Let me take this. Oh, it's so jiggly. Oh, it's freaking me out. I can't handle it. Okay, so let's just rub this. Alright, yeah, that's all I need from this piece. Wait, a little bit more at the root. Alright, yeah. Oh, but it feels so nice. When it's in your hair, it feels totally different. It feels... Oh. I feel like I'm doing my hair a favor by putting this stuff in it. Wow. Okay. And then, like, to mask that strong smell, I did put, like I told you guys, lavender oil and castor oil. Lavender oil and peppermint oil. So let's go ahead and grab a little bit more hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all see how dry my hair is. Y'all see that my hair is struggling. We ain't gonna talk about that, though. Okay? We ain't talking about that. This is what my container looks like. I know it looks a little ghetto, but that's okay, because it's doing its job, right? So let's go to the roots first and make sure y'all can see. This feels amazing. I want to do this all the time now. This would have been easier if I would have just kept it on the little leafy part, but I took all of it off, so I have to go to the kitchen and get it off the leafy. Get it out of the jar. And I'm making a mess at this point. This is just messy. I just made my life so much more difficult than it had to be. Dang it. I hate when I do that, which happens all the time. Okay, so this part, I guess we're just gonna throw this part away. What does it smell like? Have y'all ever tasted this before? I'm not saying I'm gonna taste it, but I just want to know what it tastes like. People drink this stuff, right? People drink aloe vera juice or something, but I don't think it's the same because I put a bunch of other stuff on it. So I think that definitely changed the playing fields. So let's get do y'all understand why I was freaked out? This is not normal. Oh, it's about to fall. This is not normal. I don't care what nobody say. You can't convince me that this is just normal. Oh, let's hurry up and get this where it's supposed to be. Let's get this on the ends. Let's get these ends real good. It smells so good. Once I put the lavender oil and stuff in it, it like definitely changed the way it smelled. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, y'all see what I'm doing at this point. I'm just about to probably come back to you guys when I'm finished applying it to my hair. Applying it to my hair because it's getting a little messy. And I want to see what I'm doing. And I can't see what I'm doing. And like, I don't know, I just made my life more complicated. But honestly, the feeling of the jelly part feels really, really good on my scalp. I don't know why. I don't know what it's doing, but ooh. Like the feeling of like the contact touching my scalp. It's like because it's kind of cold as well. Whew, it feels great. So let's just rub this. Ooh, yes. Alright, let's rub that in. Let's go ahead and work this into my hair. Let's just work this in. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let me come back to you guys when I'm finished applying all of this in my hair. And then we'll come back and I will check in with you guys and let you guys know what's going on. But I'm really trying to see if this is going to expand. I'm trying to see if this is going to like promote even more hair growth. My hair isn't shedding as much, but we still experiencing some shedding. So let me come back when I am finished applying this in my hair, because y'all pretty much got a gist of what I was doing. So let's go ahead and wrap this up for now, and I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Put my glasses on because I can't see nothing. Alright, so I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished applying this to my hair. Okay, so I applied it to the majority of my hair, and I have one more section to go ahead and apply it to. So once I finish applying it to this section, I'm going to let it sit in my hair. So I have one piece left. And just for the record, I did have to go to the kitchen and get some more aloe vera because I didn't have enough. So let's go ahead and apply it to this last section. But I am gonna let this sit in my hair, and honestly, to be completely honest, I think I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for 24 hours. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a bag over it and just let it kind of marinate, you know? Just let it like get in there and like soak up in there, you know what I'm saying? Just like, we're gonna let it get in there really good. And we're gonna see if that does anything to my hair. So far, the way that it's making my hair feel, I am extremely happy with. The way it feels on my scalp, I'm extremely happy with. It feels so good. Like, y'all, go get you, and make sure it's cold. When you apply it, make sure it's cold, because this junk feels amazing. Like, it feels amazing. I don't really even know what else to say besides, wow. What is wrong with me? I don't know. But this feels great. Honestly, go get you some aloe vera and apply it to your hair. So there are a ton of benefits to aloe vera, and you can use it for more than just your hair. You can use it for scrapes, cuts, burns, things like that. People do drink it. It's a multi-purpose plant, okay? Multi-purpose. So we're just gonna finish applying it. For the most part, it's applied. Now I'm just gonna probably just get a bag or 2 or 3 and put it over my hair and then let it sit, because it does add a lot of slip to my hair. I feel like this is something you can use to detangle your hair as well, but I do want to see if this is going to make my type 4 hair grow, or if this is going to just promote hair growth in my type 4 hair. So let's definitely go ahead and see if it does that. And I do have a texturizer in my type 4 hair, but my hair is still type 4 even though I do have a texturizer. It doesn't change the type of hair that grows out of my head. It just loosens the curl a little bit. And honestly, when my hair is what am I trying to say? When my hair is completely dry, you honestly can't even tell that I have a texturizer. Like, it just shrinks and shrivels right back up. The only time my hair has any type of length showing is when it's wet. But besides then, or when I have like a ton of product in it like this. But other than that, y'all, my hair literally is like this. Like, I don't know. I think that's just it's just my hair type. Regardless of if I have a texturizer or not, that's just what my hair is doing. That's just what it does. And that's just what it's going to do. Like, I'm just going to have to accept the fact that it's not changing. Okay? So this is what my hair is looking like with the aloe vera applied. I'm going to let this sit overnight. So we're going to see what's going on with my hair. I did apply peppermint oil and lavender oil to these lavender pieces and just to the lavender gel in general that was in that container. So we're going to see what's going on. Honestly, I like my hair better when it's wet. I like how it looks better when it's wet, or when it has like some type of product in it that makes it kind of way down and just stay down, but it never stays like this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys me applying this to my hair and just kind of talking about this aloe vera. I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it, or if it was informative, or if it was just like entertaining for you, because this is also just trial and error for me with my hair, just trying to figure out what's gonna work for it and how we can get this junk really long and growing fast. So I'm hoping that this aloe vera does something to my hair to where I use it consistently all the time. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna see results unless I do it frequently. That's probably how I'll see like some type of growth in my hair. But that is it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already, so you can be alerted every time I post a new video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.